how to fly your camel pose. Now, it is often difficult for a lot of people to figure this out because it goes against what is considered great back bending technique, because you have to learn how to use your feet first to achieve the back bend, your feet, your legs, and that is what trips most people up, because a lot of the times we're so used to just using the flexibility of the spine, or maybe open shoulders or open hips, to get you deeper into the back bends and forget all about your legs. But what makes this posture such a great one to work on is because it makes you use your legs, your feet first. So we all know that a camel pose looks like this. And you're working to get the chest up high, to keep the palms and the heels connected, and to keep the hips stacked over the knees. So that is where this posture is coming from, but now we're going to take it and fly the posture. So if you've never done this before, we're going to work from the beginning. If you're a little bit more advanced, I'm going to give you some tips on how to take it further. So first of all, to fly the camel, the knees and the shins are going to be in the air. And the first time you do this, bring your hands behind you and away from your feet. Give yourself a little bit more space. Pull the shoulder blades into the spine, and then from here, the first step is to lift the knees off the floor. Like I said, you're going the opposite. You would think that you would press up, but if you press up this way, it's really hard to get the knees to fly for your flying camel pose. So the first step, the first thing you need to do is figure this out. And if you need to rock weight into the hands, into the top of your feet to get the knees to lift, then begin there. That is where most of my students have to begin, is to rock back and forth. Now, if you are able to do this and it feels pretty simple, let's complete the posture. So press your hands down, look back, lift your knees up. Now, as the knees come up off the floor, the work is to lift the hips higher and look back more, pulling the ribs away from the hips. And then we come down. So as you can see, huge quad stretch. So make sure that your quads are super warm before you attempt this posture. If you have done no movement today, go do some back bends, do some fixed firm or hero pose to really open up the quads before you do this. Now, if you did that and you're like, so simple, Tori, no big deal, then I have the next step for you. Walk your hands in. Fingertips to the ball of your feet, and your palms are still down on the ground so that you have some leverage on the floor. All right, this is gonna make it much tougher to lift up because you have less space across the front line of the body by moving the hands in. So here we go, you're gonna look back, you're gonna lift the knees up, and this also is a balance challenge once the hands are this close to the feet. And you keep lifting up, lifting up. All right, so that is the good work to fly your camel pose. Very fun posture. Do not just chuck it off as, acrobatics or anything like that, because like I said, it's going to teach you a lot about how to use your legs in your back bends. If I can get you to use your strong, awesome legs in your back bends more, your back bending technique is going to improve, and overall, your back bends are going to be stronger, and you'll be able to do them for longer, go deeper, all of the things that you're wanting to bring to your yoga practice. I hope this serves you well today. If you're looking for more yoga info, yoga resources, then please go to my website, www.torig.yoga, and there are a ton of free resources there in the page called Yoga Vault. I have a free forearm balance challenge, a great PDF on how to live your best life in midlife, great tips and tricks to make you feel your best at this time in life. And then if you do not know the 5 Tibetan rites, or don't know how to start, I have a free video tutorial there as well. So go check out those resources. If you would like to connect deeper, that would be through my online yoga studio, where I really get a chance to know my students through one-to-one sessions built into your membership, as well as monthly live Q&As, lots of community support. And in that space, I help you build beyond the basics of yoga and into more intermediate and advanced postures so that you can gain strength, confidence, and mobility that lasts a lifetime. So make sure to head over there and check out everything I have prepared for you. I cannot wait to share it with you, and I look forward to connecting with you again in this space next week.